Dear viewers, our next topic is salient features of organic compounds. It is an important long question according to board paper point of view. Organic compounds have specific properties through which we can distinguish between organic compound and inorganic compound. Now, what are its features? Number one, important feature number one, catenation. Catenation itself is an important short question. Self-linkage of carbon atom with other carbon atom is called catenation. As you know that carbon is tetravalent. Carbon has 4 valency. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 valency. So when it combines with other carbon atoms, it produces covalent bond. Due to catenation, large complex molecules were produced. Number two, second property is similarity in behavior. Similarity in behavior, we will study homologous series. It is also very important short question. What is homologous series? Homologous series, in homologous series, two successive members of a group differ from each other by methylene group, CH2 group or mass of 14 AMU. For example, carbon has atomic mass 12, 2 hydrogen 2, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 14 AMU. This is the definition of homologous series. It is the series of similar atoms. It is the series of similar atoms which have similar properties and similar journal formula. For example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, etc. I have written 3 members, methane, ethane and propane, and you may see methane is differ from ethane from Ca2 group, and similarly ethane is differ from propane by CH2 group, and you may see that all these 3 compounds have similar atoms. All these contain carbon and hydrogen atom only. As I have told to you that in homologous series, atoms have similar properties and similar journal formula. For example, journal formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. I will give you another example. Similarly, aldehyde, acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. All these 3 compounds contain similar atoms, that is carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. This is all about homologous series. It is also an important short question. Number third point of salient features of organic compound is non-ionic in nature. As you know that organic compounds, there is covalent bond, but organic compounds don't have ionic bond. As there is no ionic bond in organic compound, so we generally call them non-ionic in nature, because in organic compounds atoms are involved but ions are not involved. Organic compounds have atomic structure but not ionic structure. That is why carbonate and bicarbonate ions are not included in organic chemistry, because both carbonate and bicarbonate ion have ions and ionic structure, and both carbonate and bicarbonate ion don't have homologous series. And number 3, both carbonate and bicarbonate ions have no catenation, so carbonate and bicarbonate ions are not included in organic chemistry. Number 4 property, complexity of organic compounds. Catenation property is present in organic compounds due to linkage of small molecules. Due to linkage, small molecules are converted into large complex molecules. For example, amino acids combine to form proteins and glucose combine to form starch. Both protein and starch are macromolecules and are known as polymers, while both amino acids and glucose are micromolecules and are known as monomers. And number 5 property is isomerism. It is the property of organic compounds which have more than one type of molecules and they have same molecular formula but different structural formula. They are called isomers, and this phenomenon is called isomerism. For example, I will give you an example, that is butane. Butane has molecular formula C4H10. This is its molecular formula. But if we write down the structural formula of butane, then there is normal butane, N-butane and isobutane, because one branch has been added. We will discuss these N-butane and isobutane in next chapter of hydrocarbons, and they are known as isomers. So butane has different structural formula but same molecular formula. Number 6, solubility. As you know, organic compounds are non-ionic in nature and are non-polar. They are soluble in non-polar solvents as well, like benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone and ether, etc. Number 7, last property of organic compound is rate of reaction. In organic compounds, atoms are involved in bonding. So before reaction, first of all, we will have to break their bonds. So their rate of reaction will be slow. But if ions are present in molecules during bond formation, interchange of ions took place. So ionic compounds have fast rate because of the presence of ionic bond in them. But due to the presence of covalent compounds, ionic covalent bond, organic compounds have slow rate of reaction. This is all about salient features of organic compounds.